should be the last time, ZionFelix. You used to be on my payroll. Na me ni wo ye fine pa, me ni wo ye adwuma. You used to run errands for me na de nyina. Won kwa ni blogger wonya asika kakra, wonyinsen emma mienu at the same fucking time. Eguom ho fi guom anim ase wo social media. Ema obi e ke come asem anyhow. Ena ye Erica, ena me na ne ye come ho asem. Esan susu kra nya kukudro fa camera. Esie wanim edane the whole shit into content. You just don't care. The way I did girls see at them because omoni wanyam. Ye go ho fi. Zion for camera see when him ebe chire mu the content and monetize ye. Edit to social media man, edit to YouTube man crofo course the dion watem. Wa woma ema me. Why? What do you want? Wonya sika kakade we a wodwa wanum e na bedie raba e na me maame ye hiani e na omo wo kumase e na me ba aka na mbe ye sei the we a wodwa wanum a wode wo maame ogu kwa wo maame asem ya wotimi sesa wo maame abrabo wotimi sesa wo maame abrabo wotibia na wo na wo sie so otemu a wogya ho ba efiri kumase ba wotimi asesa the same tibia mo na wo maame te. It is all baby ba abrabo mu no mo fi se owosika no mo nyina mo the pressure to no so no almost send omo me na ba ye wa abrabo mu the same thing wunya sika kakra. Then you introduce Erica. When Erica came, the author said Erica fi abrochre sika de wo sesa eye bebre abrochre de obetima be fa Zion ya no mu akọ and everybody started falling in love with Erica and started maltreating Mina. And so Erica ni beda ho was starting say all train ho say pressure ni na san beda wo so biem. So now you have to go back and interview Afia Schwar to increase your viewership. Na nyesika na fa support sa wo lifestyle na wo na wo say I am successful and na bidie raba and na ba be si dan wo den akra na den fa na we si dan Zion na obi an si dan wo hoda kaso atechem Eya mansion na wesi. Unkwa na we blogger wa Ghana. O maami aton bidia, o maami ye hieni, wa ba Accra, abe successful. I sit down wa kaso atechem. Unkwa na ekomode wo. Zion, and the way Ghana celebrities, ya bua wa ma adrum premprem subi, like you could change your lifestyle, change it. Obi anyi no do bibia uhu e wona neni yemu but you won't change what inteso to form asan akwa akofa na sese u pese Afia Schwar prayer na you so no na nya wo numbers wo YouTube must you even go and ask her about me say me say me kan wa Sam Zion I know so much about you say me say me kan man kase yia me kwa akokasa tia Mina enti ya na ya me ya na me de ahye me ho ya na ya me ya na me de ahye ho. Let this be the last time uko interview obi na unim se nipa ni mpem asem embisa ne masem wo gidi se nipa ni be ma o numbers a wo hwehwe views a wo hwehwe wo YouTuber. Carry on with the person, don't drag me in. Nankra for friend me, don't respond, don't say this, don't say that. And then she will sit there and insult me and call me names. Oof, me feelings. You think it doesn't fucking hurt? Why do you keep doing that? Our YouTube channel. Is this the only style YouTube by putting people out there for others to insult them? Enough. Wako Africa won't mean to ya what Erica ni abeda ho or jaw maami no musika ni sending na de on show mu biom enti pressure abeda wo so you have to go back and start doing the same old shit awo ye ya office wo de nya sika kakra sit down at the chem no na sign fanya sika na fa hwe wo fake lifestyle wo say dem that successful lifestyle that you claim you have that wo dey robbing crofo face with social media no. So you always have to tarnish people, bring people, create conflict. Why? I say bolanga nyumiya me mi bo bi din wom. Afia Schwar ni passport mo ase bolanga na wom. Bara ene wom. Toto be cheap ene wom. Se oni tornado enya problem na tornado refer no se ase bolanga toto be cheap bara eye ni din. Se wan fan to no ho so a obi di besere no. Mi din be na nkrofon fan frɛ me da. But me njin to me nka wasa me nka wo hwe enti wo kan na wo bra na we jai. Why? And if you're just nigga, let me tell you something. Means ro you are just loud. You are just loud. But who you empty barrel? I'm not scared of you. And you nobody did matter. No, I can't send family who not mean fewer. It's because people keep telling me, Finu, don't talk, don't say anything, don't respond. But it doesn't look like a chemwako anytime soon. Anytime obenya kwenye biya or platform bisu, ubaka ko didi matem, ubaka can somewhere anymore for me. What the fuck is wrong with you? Many why you are done for you done for being. I've moved on. Send me post na me social media na nkrofo ka na wo shedi Afia na obeka na wo be play victim blah 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 na wa baba be did matem na makama no atom. It's not because I'm scared of you. If you just nigga means row, make me abo within plane. To say na ya unya da jirebo me din plane. Eki come in once me did matem. I can do that, but I don't want to do that. I am a fucking grown woman. I am 43 years old. I grow fin me did in the past. I don't play that game anymore. Look at my hair. Full of gray. I don't need to come on social media and be insulting and exchanging words with people all the time. It's fucking not healthy. But means row, if I nigga means row, who know biasa, who nishisa, so one blackmailing Crawford when you didn't Crawford tama. You are nobody. That's what you do. So I try to ignore you. But people who follow social media almost they follow you because they are miserable. They always want to hear life stories about other people that will make them feel okay with their miserable life. So and I say, you think people fucking care about you? Nobody cares about you if you're just nigga. Nobody loves you. And yes, Anka, want to mean for one case I would didn't cry and be and tone successfully wagana. Dear Pana, who bet me, I can say, who if you're just nigga. Why yeah, will chromo ha would deem that's why we are proud of. Pure water cry went to me and for would dear tone. We say Ghana 4 years say what's the company anything. If you believe in your brand and you believe say if you're just nigga now far too who no by force or be brand our creative our far too so by force. If you believe say a good brander who bet me their tone so what have you ever done? Mr. T me pa bi wa je kojo den wanka and say and chop bar and this you did everything you can to bring it down to tarnish it. But Eneshe is bigger than I used to be. I started small in Ajay Kojo as a chop bar. Now it's not a chop bar anymore. Ubaha is big, is huge. Why? And I are raping me, and I are raping me, and I are raping me. Rape a crime. Why are raping me? You are raping me. No one now commit crime. Rape a sign etimi to obia. And kwala to me rapium. Dan say I saw in the news 5 months baby. Obia rapinu. Ain't ni pan ni toto ye cheap. Akwala baby 5 months ni toto ye cheap. Ain't ni rapina. Now what the fuck is wrong with you? Wuna wu toto ye cheap. If you disagree, say wu toto ye cheaper. Or because wu toto ye cheaper. And so. Wona won ye bold. It's not social media. It's not TV. So it's not radio. So I can say what you are memaka and someone you are beda. That is total is cheap. Wona won ye cheap. Don't fucking say and I wear raping me and I wear raping me. Damn it, damn she draws a shot idea. And na nipa wudini abwara ho ema beto me mona and na me ankasa me de me pe I share my story to encourage other people who are victims to share their story. It is not bibi amaya e chese me ye cheap. Debia and I went in dada and I we are raping da and we are raping da. Wo and na we are proud e be kan say what you be cancer no ni wada. That is cheap. Wo and I want to say Chinese for den kramai abagana ewo kumasi omo penkrofo am betimi ne kramai nada na yama musika na wo fruka na wo kumasi ton ema kramai ene wo koda. That is fucking cheap. Not obi a wo ne demo o shed rose e sha tadi a wada a obi abeto ne mona. That is not cheap. And to be is cheap, and no ye cheap, and no ye cheaper. And yeah, she baby, I would na. Ansa na wakasa. Enya wuka na me feel wa. Na ya will say be I'm slow. I don't fucking care about you. That's why I mean feel. But I mean slow. You just come on social media and rant and now whole thing what you need trust. I don't fucking trade in that words. It's mean feel. But if you're a nigga, I can boldly say your name and tell you my mind. Mean slow. Full stop. I don't fucking care about you. And to me, to 2 I don't see you as a human being because you are so fucking short, like a full stop. And now I don't fucking trade in those words. And to me, to me for no my yedin. Me toto ye cheap na. Ma ba wodin. Enyo mu ya me bo asibolanga e wodin. Wo passport mu enu na ewom. Wodin a ere tu enu na ewom. Nya Valentine na wo say ye frɛ wo. Delay brand or creating as if you're a nigga din ya. Wa kukura tu hu so say ye wodi ai. Wa hu say me dia bonyum. Why? What the fuck is wrong with you? And I dey behind me cheap. And a Niger Gazi I rape you. And I then I rape you. I never said anywhere said Niger Gazi I rape me. I said he took advantage of me. Whatever it is, I wasn't ready to explain. And I'm also so. And I'm okay can say Niger Gazi I rape him. And I'm also say why rape me. And I'm creating more stories. I never ever said anywhere. And I wasn't going to explain or defend Niger Gazi because the other year and he thought say I couldn't take him on. And I realized this and because of his man of God or what Domonton, he doesn't fucking care. But me was dumb. So I took him on social media and I got justice. I've moved on. Whatever it is, I am not ready to explain. So, didn't attempt say what to me more then. I am not going to defend him. But I never ever said anywhere say Niger Gazi are raping me. Mo and amususu sa and amoke come on sem. It's not going to push me to explain anything. Na say I'm passing Niger Gazi are raping me or any perfume. So any perfume or any cramai. Na so be raping obia and trust any panny ye cheap. So be raping or bar, a chese or nipa na fan by force against the will. Adia enya cheap, adia enya fu, adia ni boya din, and uncro for a fan by force, a taking it by force. And adia out yesika, and inviting Crawford ba ufie, new bedda, ewa womanim, and une cheap. If ya wuna ye cheap. Wuna wutu yesika ma bema ebe ware wo wuna okobobusia ma di ware bema se na ebe ya wutoto se whatever it is no ebe be nyonyam ba in the end anho amba nyonyam because once you're cheap you're fucking cheap. There is nothing you can fucking do about it. What is the kako ware bema ni na betina kra what's etu another bema ka so nsam be di wo fie ma ye de nsu abehurewura say acid abua. What the fuck is wrong with you? Why can't you just leave me alone? Me papa wu ye, I was who papa wu at the same time I'm mourning, you are mourning. But when you are at the studio, echo ye nyum to mock my father. People laughed about it. Me ba want to make a say. And so many nyum asibolanga, you want to say, and now to baby, you are minding your business, and now akwa nyum, and all didn't matter. Yeah, from asibolanga. One yanyum I'm mocking me papa who at the time I was mourning. You fucking heartless bitch. Who say papa who mourning but who nya da Jeko studio eko yanyum and alaji da wasi and a fine coding to mock my late dad. Bitch. Na se mayanyum asibolanga na ya de serewa. Would you bet now say me na mitoto ye cheap because you are raping me. Ya two obi muna, ya two akola muna is because they are cheap. Wona wo ye bold, that's not TV so. E ka say be ma di mi, e no tia me ma school fees. E no ye say, e ma be ma na deny you. E ma nu nti wo ye ho campaign, ye demonstration, e bo hu dua, e ko novokpo, e ye ho ne ma nyina just so that your pussy be nya ni onyam se na be ya wo toto na ye see ye cheap no, e be ye ni onyam. But anu e chiri nyina e ko wie court. Emma Crawford continue who fine because of you. What the fuck? Why can't you just leave me alone? Muslim accommodate me. Me a hieni, me a say, me a brewa, me a say. I am nothing. So I shouldn't even matter. Yeah, be some don't talk about it. Now who's Zion there? I'm meaning to me say me in few, but I'm saying that I just say be go bold low key. But why would I even waste a valuable curse on something like you? Your life is already cursed. Upese will live a big life and to work of free Benz and now chani kakra and to work of Erica too, and your family thinks say Erica wa brochre and to no send your musica and mube dress me nadia and to no musu so say Erica ni bad who saw sin or true no phone pressure in our baba. So now you have to go back and talk to Afia Schwar and bring my name in for people to insult me. It's me baby, I'm a dreaming. Then how ZionFelix. Mimi toto ye cheap. And you may found no bang, Asibulanga never found no bang. Una upese ufatu unso no afatu unso. If I won't bang. If I won't bang. Uko ya alaji da wase. Obi enim se me na one make asa me be kasa ya me be kan bibi. Man so enti amfa. So why can't you let it go? Would it is okay for you to come and take your phone and insult people whenever you feel like, but it's not okay for people to come and speak their mind when it has to do with you. Would it is okay for you to come and insult people and call them gay and they do true and now we gay and now we say or suffer new yam for cantan in the bush for who be the deal matem just because obiat no TV stations so I can was a mama nanya would they. They have nothing to do with it. But be the deep payatum and the dini matem call them gay and everything. And so tornado back and say buy a girl won't be that. O woman unsuonum wo grant who interview e chirechire mu aya comments wusu e ma de bia wo chirechire mu e na me ba no nyege e ma ene wo frɛ Richard say wa adopted son. Richard your adopted son for the way Richard ye wo shege kakra ye tornado na wo frɛ son ne nkasa. Why have you brought that boy back into your life? Because you know say he can fuck you up. And know your adopted son and what see how you say. Fuck you, bitch. Get the fuck out of here. Udia, it's okay for you to insult people. And then your followers who wants you to continue insulting people for that to please their miserable life, you know, then they will come and be supporting you. And at the all can and ask them what the fuck? One can be back on. One can be a account. And now you there, it is okay, certified. Your stamp to say, would they be when you now mood swing na so be the deal be at them, as a can the ope be a mamu fino sa not here, yes, we have young night is how. Young night is a boa at the agentia. Any old boy, I want my young honing crofobin. Sometimes we just ignore. But the way I won't go, no sound will be no musum boom, me yet in your Jamestown. I don't fucking and talk on yedi. Fuke, war, you can say who fear. Would be say to do what? I'm so who fear and pie fashion nigga who fear literally. One jarry. A yana tornado can people would think say, and no, did you what terminal or time, blah blah blah. He's fucking saying the truth. Say he's a liar. What has he lied about? And yet tornado person about now social media no one can say will buy a gay because he doesn't have any issue with your child. But Debia and a tornado ye gay and a tornado ye gay, so he fucking got fed up and said what who dear shekukwam no yi to abonten because what ti bin mu gina bin mu hia bin efiti bin esusu de bin a wo point obi a onu no gina bin bi mu ka say wo bin bon one day you'll be reminded and say bin mu na wo ti. No again. So they can't say buy again. They will say one say be that. But me, I have no issue with gay people. I have a lot of gay friends. They are actually the nicest people. So be so you get any choice. Means to me pebema, I am a choice. Abua, ye ka say oba ye gay a eye wo ya. Ba wo de to me be ka say sebi self can't can in ma ye gay and ye say it's okay for you to say that. With me be ka and a tornado ye gay and ye say it's okay for you to say that. But it's not okay for tornado to say that your son is gay, which is the truth. Say and microphone and ne ban no ne nya asem blah blah blah. But obi atna obi TV so aka asem emma waja nipa na sinchen emma nipa na TV station any dia no you attack the person and call the person gay. Tornado nankasa was soft spot. Nanka pictures ni videos or they share me with the disgusting things in it, no. Anko you obi anko be a fake account. No there two am obi who said you can no cre. But any person will be can or kind. Sometimes it hurts him. Say abanasa. But you will never let him rest. And no ye gay, and no ye gay, and they didn't true and they go ye gay. Who ye gay? One can say if you're just nigga, no ye gay. So be toto ye cheap and you know my lifestyle me cheap. What the fuck? Eh ya ukan ye kan crofo mo din crofo. When we say the me so be ye cheap da. When we say I can say Mzbel I can say oni obi atwin plan ma nipa ne de nya akokọ ma adame ye hu campaign demonstration granting who interview a whole month a whole year just to prove say nipa chichu bi ni mi adada wonye cheap say me ye cheap Zion ebe ma o platform mama mo de abayesa wo ka say nkwan na oni medidi atem. Dirty girl say woman who say man say woman who say girl who say then why your body aye wo nso de bia wo gina social media na okasa wo ha to say obi a oye ewu odade obi e na efen adoa oha nyina adoa kona koye kan adoa kona koye why wo tu why wo nufu why obi bia say one shiwi no mu shoka ni aro store e de afra Anfa black label and so and ye makeup free makeup and she wig and sanfa filter and to so who ye why to come and talk to anybody on social media. That is the only thing that gives you confidence. And no echi na utimi hide etimi kan kwasi asem. The only time you have confidence to insult people and say and talk but they said yeah Ghana nyina would ya is when washi we anum shock ani ade rosto afra edi black label atoso and all these things you don't even pay with your money. And Crawford eba na mbe ye makeup ma wo wi a na wo di takashi na mimi da be na me ye makeup tuaka mimi ye makeup mi tuaka obenya se wa be ye mi makeup na wo di takashi enti won kwa ni oba minimu na wo ye makeup etimi di 1 week over ewe wenim. I don't know how you do it, bitch. You are good. Minimu how a won kwa otimi da ma makeup etimi tina wenim be 1 week usora na power wo di powder kakra fa so na wa kama no lipstick wo ye fo papa. Because you won't pay, you can't afford makeup 500 Ghana cedis. Free. So also your bar would you hoodie our confidence. If you're just nigga, who be do be at on social media, especially me. Jawu natural hair goes to say. Jawu natural hair goes to say. Jawu natural face goes to say. No makeup, no fucking filter. Na bra na be facing me face to face. Abua so bet me aka 30 seconds scrampo. Every time you have to hide behind makeup and wig and filters to come and talk nonsense. Na nesa na blogger say share. Na ye will say wona wo to me. Listen, we can all do that. But baby ntinu ye ya pese ye de ye ho te. Me menye sikeni, me yo hia ni ba ye de hia na tete mi, me hu breda. Enti say adum benti me nyaka kra me fa me wawa me on social media enye gbogbogbogbogbogbo to make people who don't have it feel less. Dia na wo wodi nkwasi asem na afa Ghanafo etiti wo social media na wa wodi wanim akoto penechi na me hwe nyanka na me see orphanage if you just nigga we see orphanage na wodi na so pure water crowd wodi to so pure water wodi wudi to so eye hu photo shoot eye hu dede eye hu campaign we see orphanage na unye hu billboard unye hu advert ummo hu de roman crofon ko ho enko ye Ghana fo nko ye nkola ya doye Who was the orphanage? And come for camera and run, hunimu, and trap pictures, and trap video, and come once a many the day. Who orphanage, I will see a fresh nigga, your friend is say, and what hey? And your doctor be in the hospital was paying tax, and it is our orphanage, you know. Let me remind Ghanaians, sir. Time as you started say yes, it's our orphanage, you know. Time you were the fro our UTV. That is when you went there to beg. Now who pe kwan bi so ma you back or UTV. Who and that is when a doctor yi aba oba media for akwa Cavani orphanage OC and na wo di omwechi koye. Who could take pictures of the uncompleted building. And na wo di scamming crofo. Who ye bold. For fundraising or be orphanage OC. That is when you went to take penna because when you say who bet me the penna I did Jessica of pay and that is what you've always done. The hour yarn Saudi Akolan Jessica one crop for and I mean find me orphanage and I mean see orphanage. We see orphanage at that baby penny and want to me lunch orphanage. Who was the orphanage anka within Nasukakra? Anka wodin nasu kakra Afia Schwar orphanage home anka woni nasu anka de bia se wugina ho a wo ye de ni orphanage nipa na orphanage ni ne dia no ompe ne ho asem anka wa ba bonta ma be kasa se wo se me boa kwana kwatwa orphanage ni to social media na ensentra fo nko ho enko interview nkrofo mu ye adwuma wo ho ene nkwala wo ho se orphanage ni eye wo dia what to blog da. What to cement da? Apartment na one rent ya ye muta se bebre tulun tale ah de bia ogina otwetwa picture video e di wa hu say e wodi ano eno ni orphanage no. What the fuck? Unkwa na oni mkasa na wa sa no tie sa no Afia Schwar de sa no tie enfi no ye nyina ye ti sa o Yen fefro clad ogbe yen fefro ko e wo unjare we makeup anka wu na wu say we are brand ambassador for a skincare product shemin sechi she wu ye bold be kan say na Pinaman Cosmetics enye shemin sechi shemin santam she menim no makeup no filter na meti hanamo wo betimi ayesa oh yeah, live video with the filter and makeup nyina kan bon together kra un say chi nyina ye basa tulun tale skincare brand ambassador untimi nye video be without filter da anka wa ye makeup dia ye nyama obeye wie no enwumre now the skincare product abesi wo na wa huhuru wenim amagana fo nyina ehun sampa skincare product am use ye adwuma menim nie watimi aye bi da Ubesha makeup, ashe wig, as also the filter account, and sana what time skincare product I be advert abua. Sewanum a rosto ni shocker, and she we. And for black label and camera. And those things you don't even pay for it. Guy ya we be a pub ye de be out do fwa no fwa na nya no na ya cover black label free. Then pan out do sikato. Uti social media na hu hu dwa wenum enti woman ko school cry they can't stay on campus because the kind of lifestyle people expect them to live because of na ya akweka with social media they are not able to live that kind of lifestyle so they are not able to even stay on campus they be no money nam Tama mo ko school wo kuma say fine. Enya tornado adam for Jerry na ye osho mo. Enya Jerry na ye osho mo. Sometimes Rahelapo, sometimes Chris. Then out to me yama no. They can't stay on campus. Nyama mo she nyina ye gwin nyama no mo she. Once in a while what say obi e boutique bi na ade a no what say man alcohol e na wo twa na as if so we advert amani pa na wo de anya na mapapa bi amom na wo dwa wanum. Me I want to mean you want to prove so to me I don't have to do that. Me share nails. And please you be me share wiggy. Metinya dye me gray hair blue pink just for to prove say day. I can do it but I don't have to please anybody. I love who I am. Me you hear anybody? Yes. I love it. Me free Jamestown. Yes. Me abrewa. Yes. A lot of nkwala omo ye djuma o ma sing na omo ye nkranfo nyina omo frame me yomo. I respond with pleasure, with some pride because I am a fair. So obi acknowledge say me yo oba penyi. Muna mo ferry mo suro growth enti mo nya fa na o ya brewa na unyuma twem na blah blah blah. But I'm fucking okay. I'm not complaining. Am I complaining? Eya na me fiwa anase me ni wonya asema na gbagba fa phone esi wanim na all you do instead of attacking me one on one, then you be attacking some politicians, attacking people and attacking because you know say they will call me and say I should shush. I know say you will respond to this. Oba u baba reply me aja wo natural hair to so men ye makeup, men she wig. Men fa filter to so come face and come and tell me what you know about me. Then I wouldn't say me ya brewa, say me nyuma twem. Say ya raping me. Me and me be share my story. Say I was in my room. Armed robbers came there. They attacked me. They took my belongings. They hurt us. They raped some of us. Me and me share that story, to encourage people to also come out and share their story. People like Oprah Winfrey, no more Majidi, and Mark Majidi, when they share their story somewhere along the line, you will find abuse. I was abused as a child. My stepfather raped me. Somebody raped me. That. Rape and yenungwasisam. The enungwasisam say, who better say, ye din kramai abakumasi, ye chiankro for kano money on wada. Na wafuka ako, or babesia, no one can kramai aquakoda. Who ye sikani brief for, who ye cheap. The enim gwasisam say oba besia wo betina TV so na waye board aka say be ma idimi odimi kwan say so na no no twa me ma face na wa deny wo na waye ho campaign abo ho dua afaka akonovokpo akokot wo ho just so that your trebi chip no will be important. Ye betimi aka say ni particular ni wada. That is fucking cheap. Me ye ka say o mampanyi oti so sisi akwa ni me ada. I would deny it. What the wow. And I'm because nobody wants something that is cheap. You have to fucking pay for sex. I don't have to pay for sex. Mema be brebi on person money me dan penny for na dia on person money me da. Omo be bre ho. Ube tria bribe me twa ne boarding to say visa. Me twa boarding say Canadian visa. Ube ye ho connection. Ube fa ho nkrofo. Ube twa sika. Oba logoshi oba kpashi. She no ye ma you careful. Ke to boy bo shin bo te. Maka ya le. Maka jam say na ya raping me ntimi echi. Onya egbemi. Onye fe fle ko e muji. Yakasa hu ye nyan yankofo fi say did atem. Enye did atem. That is the truth. If you just nigga hu ye nyan, hu bon because you don't fucking take a bath. Hu bon wagashi. I say ye friend say Burkina Nentrie no funsuo unkwa obi ba ufia. You can't even recognize the smell. I say wagashi kakra, I say dawadawa kakra, I say Burkina kakra nentrie no funsuo nyanya. Now they spray gumu because you don't want to wash the makeup off your face. You have to put powder on it and add lipstick and take the camera, drink some shocker and black label and big on social media. What are you trying to prove? Bitch, you fucking need to calm down. It doesn't matter how much surgery you do. Cover with gray hair. Now we are there. I am fucking proud of my age. I'm 43 years old. I have gray hair. I like it. People fucking do. Freaks do it. I don't have to do it. I have it for free. I don't have to wear nails. I don't have to wear makeup. I don't have to hide my fingers because of bleaching cream. I always share my story. Once upon a time, I used to bleach. And it's not like that anymore. Una will see and then so there be a Santa Maya to Luntale. I say the Udun Sarah Sidim. On ye here, Fefele, a comb, Shkumi. Would you become as a man? A yaw Yahu Baba church him? Catch your Felix some bring me ice any tsunami no. And those of you who come under my comment section, be posted BBA, and I will share the Afia or Becassia, and you play victim. I don't fucking play victim. Means so Afia. And I will play victim. And I will play victim. What the fuck? Me play victim because Miss Ronana, who's Robia now play victim. I am not in Kasa, now DM me men Kasan. They come out to defend me, they find ways and means to defend me. And then when people are defending me and I keep quiet, and then you think say I'm playing victim, I can also fight. Minimum Kasa. Yet to see me with James Starbontin, so I Democrat, not a don down, partition is saying, partition is okay, so and on a saying, ooh, probably our hustle or a gangster. Me my femuda. What is a cafebo? What look febo? What lebena do not blanche febo? What lebena lomo febo? For the film was started film of Jayman on your fefleco. She come. And I make me hair. I don't have to go and do hair surgery. Surgery ban now, yeah. Only focus so. Only focus. Just a one to say, yeah, baby, we're high free. Now the one quack gym, no I judge them and conform one now. Obey ya, put some to twice, honey. On your ear, feflenny fit the law. Won't see it yourself full stop. They be our no social media. And I miss Bell, and I miss Bell, because when him say me, cause I guess I miss Row. Fee, I mean, few, and I general meanings here. But I mean, Row. But who ZionFelix? This should be your first and last. It should be your first and last. Who pesika? Edia live you so-called successful life on social media to act like, oh, okay, me ye be dear, but say I'm a successful, my blogger be successful, so me can celebrities me ye say, who per se who living sa life no. Now who needs to count the believe now feel say giving me out, putting me out there for people to insult me, and the beb woman views and you sick. I swear to you, say the next time I open your study, everything I know about you right now, say platform is so I can shock you. Kwa muji usuccess a usi wenya niemponie usuccess a usi wenya mponi unshatare pada debia keje na atale na mi aboa atale na ewo muji debia ukola ye fi wa motro mu afo unde uhuni una futuro unsusu uti benz mu wako free benz wo se utua ni kakra ntino se upe ways and means bia na u create controversy bi ma wo channel no ade na opese ye didi matem. What the fuck? Oh, bodamana. Kwasia. Bema bi wensu na ema bedi unhu yaw. Me kasa na ma hwe me kasa ya me kasa tia mi na. Ente ya na be na ehwe mu. Onya hie fefle. Wona wo sia se wo ma me ebidie. Wasisa na efibidie abrabom. Why you never be the abrabo? Wona wo say why you successful? Have you changed the life of your family in Kumasi? Have you? If I'm a friend, I'm a muji. I'm a friend, I'm a muji. Maybe I ain't be been trendy. Yeah, be been trend. I mean, once in a while it's okay to do baby na trendy, but ye baby yesterday. Ye baby I be share for coming. Come who now say so you're a comedian. I mean, come out with some comedy that will make people laugh and make you trend. Kwala yo ma be ya. Omo yes kids to TikTok na the yesterday. Obi a follow omo. Asantu anu ni Jacqueline no na de omo ye niam de to social media FS radio millions of people are following them. It's not because they are insulting anybody or they are into anybody's business or they are blackmailing people or they are calling people names. No, they are just making people laugh. If you want to make people laugh, make people laugh. Una who say so you're queen of comedy, I mean make people laugh. Jacinta is the queen of comedy. She always make people laugh. You don't go on Jacinta's page and see her insulting people. Yeah, rape people. Yeah, we say who true mu, who need chastity, who now who fi, who what the fuck? Aren't you tired? Change your style. Ah, shame on you. Shamia Debranum. Ye blogging, omu do we so no more change your style. Oh, Pamia Debra cram and other blog yamawa or Peso Hunia Wuye or he's very selective. Samike no Shade will Samike no bana and say cry and your interview be an omoye who from some maybe be cry omo be share omo the controversy be and when yabeba e de enum gwase be brobia they won't come GH kwekunumu gamashi blogger no they are decent, they've changed their style unkwana accommodate ZionFelix unkwana accommodate ye nyina accommodate ye she work by what to flame work a hwe won ya so onya e fefele ye nyina accommodate ye nyina ya nyama ya nya besuo obi asem akose dwaso ama obi atobi enso susu ye sunsun ye ho because enim say ye nya sa ye nya ni pasa won kwa na ekomode wo because who pe benz mu atena chenchena yin unru benz wuti atechem wo kaswa wonyanka wuti islego enti dia obeye bia ubenya ni padodro wo YouTube channel no so na wodi anya sika no ubeye without even thinking won kwa na wo fa mamia no nyimo at the same time na wo san so the year content you are heartless won kwa na sika hia wo you are fucking heartless Zion you are heartless Zion you are heartless. You don't value relationship. If you value relationship, tama wunyo bia unibi wo sheta t-shirta komo egbojo I see amina ebua e hwe ye makeup no ni sika hwe ebua send bi ma wo nkrofo no anka wunye bi anka wo pe live decent life bit say amia de bra no life no na de ensusu wunya sika kakra na obehu se na wo pia sedabodabo akọ toilet ene wo bia me na ene Erica nkwa na omo asem da social media de aka because when you sika no abetena se wan kasa wo interview hu ena me ye bidie raba ena me start say ena me maami ye say ena me ye say wo fi say wo kan de awawa hu ugu maami hu ani ase ena me maami ye say ena oyo hiani anka wo kan na camera se wo maami so ena oti mansion bi mu ena wa bidie no wagya iton anase bidie no wa bidie industry e wo kumase ama wo maami ena wo di huawa ho a anka za ye anka ye anka ukofo baby ba na se woni obi foforo nyima anka wo maami fo ba foforo enkonko ya tight because of abrochire she tell me fi say o ba be fa wonu anu makọ abrochire sisi amina de Ghana makeup sika kransu ye bio enti Erica na eko anka wo munya sa wo na wo be kan ye o se te bia mo woni enti ka wo si se wo na wo si se wa ye our life asesa we sit down work as wa techemu wa to benz ato we aye we anka camera si wo maami so na me maami de ani o single room self contain they say aye bidie factory ya ye no wa employ nkrofo na wa ye say nka Zion wa ye bibi sa anka ye metnas na so ugusu ye nkwase ade a anka me metnas nka wa asem Esutibia mutimuno enumwa wote. You don't want to cut your coat according to your fabric or according to your size. Enteno to me value relationship. E ma mienu ya ye didi o matem because o manyi mama we di o ma ye content. Me a mwada mi payroll so da me ni watena te se me nu aketu ada. Wo fa ma asema no de akotu social media ye didi matem na trendy. Mzbel de wonya kan ya ebe trendy if you shase nigga nya kan ya Mzbel aye say na trendy na wonya sika wonya ehie fefele what so you have a chef when tell you what do you want to eat order what What you want to eat? Go and order. I'm busy. You want to order outside this restaurant? Pizza, burger. You don't eat pizza, you eat burger. Go and order rice or noodles. Today is Saturday, you go and eat banku. Asia nkwa na o free here mu. Nkwa na o fi me free here mu. Me go school kra rubber bag. E na me di me niama, me books gum de bia na me pen na yera. Da me ma me be ye lucky obekọ akosere obi a omo be nua obenya sa emu bag kiti odi bremi a me wie. Me nya me school bag papa no. Ye na ye free here. And so we don't take advantage of people to make money. We are heartless. We are selfish. We are greedy. Zion, we are greedy. We are greedy. We are money hungry. Onkwa na utimi ye ema woni omo adam paso omo awo mama utimi dani omo asem content to make money. Anka the way Afia Schwar nigga did watem gun hu fin anka ZionFelix the way awudi ya o e kan tam se woni ni nkase bi mu anka nkofa camera nsi nanim e mebi se bisa na asem wasia hu fin e ya to deodorant na use de bia wo shirt amotro mu afọ wo shirt collar aye kalabi wo shirt arepada da wo benya atarepa hye mpobwa pa hye wo be ye hu documentary Zion nkwa na uto mpobwa papa sha wo be ye hu documentary hey I am done minishi kebiem. So only if Afia Schwar nigga mo ye hu some de me be content ah me so nim bo abaye free content obi am fan to ne YouTube channel no monetize asiafo ejimifo enum guasefo munyi so still munya nyansa munye decent social media and crofo de ye niama papa e de ye niama innovative monkwa na mo ba social media ji some be didin crofo atem e be gun crofo hu fi e be kan ni animu e be yese ye can be ti amudia ene ye nyina ye ni mu kasa ni bi. I am waiting for your reply. Go and interview another person. If you are sending down for camera, see when him na bra na be reply me. Who ba be reply me? Reply me. Deal with me. And for politician be memu. And for me be memu. And for obi an memu. Deal with me. Fiswa. Woman to woman. No wig, no makeup, no filter, no shocker, no arostor, no wig, no black label. Come and deal with me one-on-one. Now I say the same old record now abebo and I brewa way and I we are brewa and I wunuma tremu and I say and I do say and I will say wuna wutimi de die huahua ma ye deny wo e ma ne kwawie wo court say sister wuna wuti yetimi de na wo sun wo hu say yedimio ebo hu dua e konovo kpo e ye hu documentary na camera de wachi ene yedimio hey to be cheap pampa. Adeng nanko ba de wo fight no obi di no apepa wa no see papa we na de we me no wa de bi o efekeke so obi pu beti se ni patichu bi edi na wo di nan no ai wa no se na betina se na ye keka efe na wo de utimi ye hu documentary ebo hu dua ye hu demonstration a court and ko jail just because he said somebody has fuck you. The person say for you know fuck you, you fuck me, you know fuck me, you fuck me, you know fuck me. Hey, minister, we are my force in it. Oh, we are men yakobo, abaya court way. Oh, we are men yakobo. Hey, I can't what Natasha came into to cheap. Oh yeah, fair flow let to ni cheap. Asia mallet no mo be diwa mallet phone eni mo nyina crack as a map mallet ba ni card that was pack enye ne 45 minutes answer na agi so enye cheap Na sanka wo oba bia oye decent a obi ba no ka say bara to be cheaper anka wo be yi wani krampo once so a obi antimi mfa nhye wo come by force enso waji afa makoye menyum enya na adi kan koye dada me da ase say alaji me da ase at the time you are supposed to be mourning your late father. Sa papa no ya wo papa ampa se na tornado ka wo papa ampa na wewu na se wo wa yam hihie bi a wo di morning na wonya adagire ko studio ko yo bi papa wewu hunyum na yen fansere no and at the end na butu etip butu wan kasa wo tire so enso man kasa enti amfa ankosi baby a enso me dem be ya ase bolanga wo se wo nti bi da obi abisa wo asem na se wo ka se enya wo a by force waji afa e wose obekirekire mu ni orepi mi ni oyese ni oyese se orepi mi na me ye cheap ama me kan kire wo na wo tuetue sika ma ene obeda eno na e cheap wo na wo tu kwan kokuma ase emne ene kran man koda eno na ye cheap wo na wo bobusia e de ye be ma wedding se na be ya obediw eno na ye cheap wona ye boat na TV so aka say be ma ye dimi osi ondi wo si wedimi osi ondi wo ye be court ye demonstration ye bodua ye konovokpo ye say drama bye bye Ghana for mo pesa mo dey content e free wo so timi dey content ni bi Zion wona ye content now monetize now didi me I don't have to do that. Why? Me starti choba Jimi so mama kan chon za ma me wan ton bi die mum ba oton chale wote ye ton pia water mori nyina me di bia akochinda me so me starti wo Jamestown me bre ya me bebi e choba nyina me bo nyum ye choba nyina ena me choba na ma expand no eno na success story enye so wa be kan ma mi asem ya no san titi bia ma otim na wa free benz na wotim na wo pen krofo egu am ho fi anya sika e de tuatua wo benz enye no na success story Zion enye no na success story se obi bedidi watam egu ho fi egu baby mama ho fi na wadi ya no aka se nipa wei me fama no ntuma na no mu biom na ekomo sika ni brinti wo be san afa camera e de atata no akoye content e de gu nkrofo mfi enye success story flower boy ye enye success story Mimiti way I don't have to do any surgery say na me no futia penesa me ti akra me mobra me penesa say na me chin me tie me penesa gray hair wo me penesa ene se druta my own say me no twuntwum a me penesa I appreciate nature me tui emre bi na me pese me koye bi me koye doctor ka kire me say me need enough fat e de be ye tuo na me pe no me nkonkonye kese mbamba mbedwin na enko asem ma me ye ton hip pad me to hip pad bi na me she atare guso a I am good me be fi am raw hip pad ne to so am from be fam baby I'm okay I don't have to please anybody so na me tie bia me penesa me night say chopstick me penesa me abrewa me penesa me mri atwe me nyum nyede me penesa I am not complaining obi am fa me nkokot e wo ho mo na mo bre